My computer started to feel bloated. I only have 14 gigabytes of space left and everything feels sluggish, so I'm going to be nuking everything and clean installing Windows. I began by searching download Windows 11 and clicking on the first link. I clicked 64-bit download and this downloaded an ISO file onto my computer. Now I need to put the ISO file onto my USB. So for this we'll be using an app called Rufus. Once it opened, I selected my USB drive and my Windows 11 file. Next I clicked start. And it's ready! Next, I restarted the computer. While we were restarting, I had to boot into the BIOS by spamming the F2 key. In the BIOS, I moved my USB to be the top boot priority. This basically tells my computer to boot into the USB instead of my hard drive. We were in. Quick tip, in the first part of the setup, select English World as your time and currency format. This basically means a lot of bloat doesn't install. I selected the drive to install Windows 2 and hit next. After a couple of minutes, it restarted and we were in. I selected some things such as my keyboard type and then it asked me for a Microsoft account. I naturally don't want Microsoft seeing whatever I do, so this is how to get a local account on Windows 10 and 11. Press Shift and F10 to open the command prompt. In here I typed in OOBE/bypass NRO and hit the enter key on my keyboard. Once it rebooted, I got an option for I don't have internet. After creating my user, it asked me to enter security questions, which I filled in very truthfully, and now it finally booted into the desktop. Now it was time to remove all the bloat left. So I opened Edge. Now I searched for the Chris Titus utility. This is a program that essentially lets you de-bloat your Windows installation. I copied the command and now we have to run it. I opened PowerShell and pasted it in. After some time, this window popped up. You can actually install applications from here, but for now all we want is to see the tweaks section. I'm going to disable consumer features. End task with right click. I usually like this. It's really, for laptops, it really should never be used. I'm going to disable hibernation. I'm going to disable location tracking because I'd rather Microsoft not know my exact address. Microsoft Store recommended search results. Get out. No telemetry for PowerShell 7. No telemetry. We're going to want the previous layout because we're going to want to remove widgets. Disable background apps. After quickly changing some settings, this is how it ended up looking.